mash it. 2 blend tomatoes. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. 1 tablespoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 5 to 6 green chilies and chopped coriander. Boil and mashed turnip shaljam. Now add 1 cup of oil. 2 sliced onions. Sauté until it's golden. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Add tomato paste in it. I love tomatoes in this way, the gravy they give, love that. And all the remaining spices. Like, share and subscribe. Give it a good mix for at least 5 minutes. This is the easiest and basic recipe if you have to try it. Now add mashed turnip in it. Mix it properly until everything is combined. Once oil is on top, cover with lid and let it cook. Add green chilies in it. Let me know what you want next. After 10 minutes, it's ready. Add chopped coriander in it and enjoy. Take care. Remember me in your prayers. Like, share, and subscribe.